Okay, these are Marby, Leplum 2, Amazon Basics, and Tombow. Tombow, all of them are similar in size, the same size, but the Tombow body is matte, meanwhile the other two are shiny. And the fine liner tips are also similar between the Tombow and the Amazon, but Marby Leplum looks more like a fine liner tip. It's the thinnest of all of them. The tips are very different between them. The Amazon Basics, as you can see, is extremely pointy and thin. Meanwhile, the Marby is very like a bullet shape and is thick. And the Tombow, as you probably know it already, is also pointy but is thicker than the Amazon and is also bigger. So they are different between themselves, and that can influence how the lettery turns out a lot. And I'm gonna be comparing similar shades, like the brown shades, not everybody's favorite shade, but I got the same shade in all of them, so that's what I'm gonna be trying. Okay, the Amazon one feels softer than the other two, softer than the Marby Uchida, the Leplum, and softer than the Tombow. Also the ink, even though as you can see on screen they are very similar in shade, I feel the Amazon colors are more muted. You have the swatches right there, you can compare, like the colors are muted. You know, other markers have a more vivid pigment. The Tombow though gives you like a better gradient effect when you push down or you press hard on the paper. Meanwhile, the other ones just look lighter, and the Marby tends to give you this wobbly effect on the corners when you press too hard because it bounces against the paper. Now for the flexibility of the tip, it bends just at the tip, not at the base, which I think is nice because it makes it very easy to control for newbies, and it bounces back like without no effort at all. So to be so cheap, that's good. Well guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this short review useful to make your decision about whether these pens are good for you or not. Feel free to leave any comments in the comment section below. I'll reply as soon as I can. And take care of yourself, have a good one, and I see you on the next. Remember that I'll keep doing videos about awesome cheap brush pen for you to try, so consider subscribing, liking, and leaving a comment. Love you, take care, bye.